Hi, Maticus M here, back with another car video. Now, there are a lot of car enthusiasts in the Philippines. You might see them here and there, but you might be a car guy or a car girl yourself. But here's the thing, being a car enthusiast means there are a lot of misconceptions and stereotypes that you need to deal with. At yun ang gusto kong pag-usapan in this video. Here are 5 common misconceptions non-car people make about car enthusiasts. Now, before we get to this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're updated with my upcoming videos. And now everyone, tara! Let's go for a drive.
Number 1. Always driving fast. Kaskasero daw tayo. Delikado daw tayo sa daan. Most, if not all car people know there's a time and place for gaining a bit of speed. For example, sa highway. Kailangan mo mag-catch up and match your speed with the flow of traffic. Delikado kasi magbagal sa highway eh. Kaskasero. This is the word that is always linked to car people in the Philippines. However, meron din naman mga kamote drivers dyan. But actually, from what I notice sa daan araw-araw, most car people are actually pretty careful with their cars. Kasi alam mo yun, pinaghirapan nila yung kotse nila eh. Mas marami pa ang kaskasero na non-car people if you ask me. And road rage? Bihira mag-road rage ng isang car enthusiast kasi they love driving so much. The only time na mapipikon sila is pag may traffic. Kasi let's face it, hindi biro ang traffic sa Pilipinas. Number 2. You have to be rich. This is a misconception most non-car people have on car people sa Pilipinas. Well, my friend, my answer to that is no, you don't. Getting into cars is much cheaper than you think. Actually, most car people don't even buy brand new. Why? If you buy a brand new car, as soon as nilabas mo yan sa kasa, ang value ng brand new mong kotse ay bababa agad. So di mo kailangan gumastos ng 1M or mahigit to buy a sports car. You can find second-hand sports cars that have already depreciated in value. This saves you a ton of money. I did a video on 7 cars for beginner car enthusiasts in the Philippines. You can watch it to get more ideas. So what's the point I'm trying to make here? Di mo kailangan maging mayaman to get into cars. Number 3. You need to have a fast car. This misconception is one of those na pinopromote ng movies like Fast and the Furious. But the truth is, you can have any car and still be a car person. Take a guy with a beat-up old Corolla. He can have the same amount of fun as someone na may Ford Mustang GT. It's all about appreciating what you have. Take a look at Stan's cars, for example. Do you think they are built to go fast? Well, no. They're built for the looks and aesthetics. Stan's can be any car. It can even be your Toyota Wigo. And let's be honest, the Toyota Wigo is not fast at all, but hey, it can be a project car because its owner could be a car guy. Sometimes, those with fast cars aren't even car enthusiasts, like some celebrities. So no, hindi mo kailangan ng fast car to be a car enthusiast. And you know what they say? It's better to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow. Mas mag-e-enjoy ka pa sa mas mabagal na kotse. Number 4. Wasting money on cars and parts. Nagsasayang ka lang naman ng pera pag bumili ka ng mabilis na kotse. Hindi mo magagamit yan sa Pilipinas. Question, mahilig ka ba mag-basketball? If you had the chance, wouldn't you spend on the best basketball shoes to improve your play? You get my point? People would spend a lot of money on their hobbies, so why can't car people? Some people even spend on things that don't improve their daily lives. Car enthusiasts, on the other hand, spend money on car parts that most of the time improve their cars and make them last longer. But why do they spend so much money on spoilers, paints, etc., etc., etc.? Because their cars are a way for them to express themselves and to look good while driving. I mean, who doesn't want to look good? The same applies to other people. Why do people spend a lot of money on tattoos? To express themselves and to look good. Why do girls spend a lot of money on makeup? It's the same thing. I don't understand why car people get bashed for only doing what they love to do. Trip nila yun eh. Pera nila. Spend money on what makes you happy. Number 5. Only guys can get into cars. Personally, I think this is an annoying misconception about car enthusiasts. Although car culture is dominated by males, I think it's pretty stupid attaching genders to hobbies. Same goes to fashion. Although it's dominated by females, there are also a lot of males that are into fashion. Take Ashley Sison as an example. Although she is a female, gosh, she probably drives and drifts her S14 way better than most male car enthusiasts out there. Of course, she is a professional drifter, but I'm simply trying to make a point. Regardless of your gender, if you love cars, then get into cars. Plus, it's awesome to see females get into cars. I think it's pretty badass. Anyway, may mga kilala ka bang palagi nilang negative ang comments when it comes to spending money on car parts or just a car in general? Pwede mong i-share or send this video sa mga friends mo non-car people so they understand what being a car enthusiast is all about. Let's change their perspective on car culture because being into cars is just like any other hobby. Now my question for you is, what are other misconceptions you've heard from non-car people? Comment mo below para mabasa ng lahat. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. I hope you stay safe, stay indoors kasi may COVID pa nga, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.